Good morning, class 8. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. You enjoyed your Vishwakarma Puja and prayed to Lord Vishwakarma that everything becomes fine, take his blessings and all. Great. So today is Friday and it's going to be another great weekend for all of us. And weekends are quite good, it makes you feel relaxed. So we were there at this, what do you say, English part, and today we are going to do section 3 on your course book, right? And that's going to be Macavity, the Mystery Cat. It's a poetry by T.S. Eliot, and it's a wonderful poem by him. And Macavity is the name itself is quite funny, and it's mischievous name, and that's what is all Macavity about. Macavity is a cat uh, who is a dangerous cat, and he has everything. So Macavity is Macavity. No one can be except Macavity. Macavity is like that. So a mystery cat, is a fictional character. T.S. Eliot has made this fictional character that he's dangerous, he's into crime, and he's uh, Viviash, and he's musically was in a film also in the Cats 2019, and he played by Idris Elba. It's a popular culture, in popular culture, musical, and it's made a huge lot of impression on the society as well. And T.S. Eliot has done a wonderful job. Thomas Stearns, his name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. Uh, OM was an American born English poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literacy critic, and editor. Born in St. Louis, Missouri, to a prominent Boston Brahmin family, he moved to England in 1914 at the age of 25 and went to settle work and marry there. Born 26 September 1888, St. Louis, Missouri, United States. Died 4th January 1965, Kensington. That's Kensington. And poems were The Wasteland, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, and lots more. The Murder, the plays were The Murder in the Cathedral, The Cocktail Party, and a lot of movies have been made about him. And he was a terrific writer, actually, if I can say that. If I want to talk more and more about him, it will be much more less. So let's get back to Macavity. Uh, there's a Wasteland, The Hollow Men, Ash Wednesday, Four Quartlets, The Murder in the Cathedral, The Cocktail Party. So many of them are there. Then he has this. He was in teaching. He was in banking, publishing. He had separation and whatnot happened in his whole life, and he's gone through a bad time and good times. Everyone in his life have good times and bad times. Excuse me. And his studies was he was American citizenship from 1888 to 1927. Then he became a British citizen 1927 to 1965. Education was in Harvard University, and then Merton College, Oxford. His literary movement was about modernism, and his Nobel Prize in Literature he got. Then all things. He's won music awards, he's won literary awards, drama awards, academic awards, whatnot he's won. He was a wonderful person and a lot of talent. So this is one of his poems, Macavity. Now, Macavity the Mystery Cat, also known as the Hidden Paw. It's a fictional character and a main antagonist in T.S. Eliot's 1939 poetry book of Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. This cat also appears in Andrew Lloyd Webber's 1989 musical Cats, in which is based on Eliot's book. Macavity is a master criminal and con artist. He possesses mystical powers and is the antagonist of this musical theory. Now, T.S. Eliot was a huge fan of Sherlock Holmes. And Sherlock Holmes was obviously, in the last chapter we have done, it was by Arthur Conan Doyle. And the character of Macavity is literally an allusion to Professor Moriarty. So, what is an allusion? Allusion is, in the sense, is a figure of speech in which an object or circumstance from unrelated context is referred to covertly or indirectly. It is left to the audience or to the readers to understand what is this all about. Now, Professor James Moriarty is also a fictional character in some of the Sherlock Holmes stories written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Moriarty is a Machiavellian criminal mastermind who Holmes described as the Napoleon of crime. Doyle lifted the phrase from a Scotland Yard inspector who was referring to Adam Worth. So this Macavity, this Professor Moriarty was a fictional character in Sherlock Holmes books, and he was the Machiavellian. So Macavity name comes from there. He was very shrewd, and he was the Napoleon of crime. Napoleon Bonaparte was in charge in the French time, and he's the Napoleon of crime. So that's why this is named as. The evidence of Macavity was also based on Moriarty, was first presented by H.T. Webster and H.W. Starr in 1954. Okay. In a letter to Frank Morley, Eliot wrote, "I have done a new cat modeled of the late Professor Moriarty, but he doesn't seem very popular, too sophisticated perhaps. The name Macavity is just a noun, is just a pun on Moriarty. Macavity, instead of Moriarty, is written Macavity. The word Macavity also implies a hole or wide absence of something. Macavity. Cavity is a hole, and Macavity is described in the poem as being not there at the time of location of any crime. Macavity. It's that crime is, the hole is there but no one is there. So at the time of crime, Macavity is not there. He's out of it. So he creates crime and no one can catch him. So he's the professor of crime. He's the Napoleon of crime. Understood? I'll come back in the next video.